Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you all the top tricks about your AMAZFIT UP device. So here, as you can see, we have our AMAZFIT UP Earbuds application, and what's most important here is that here we do have the multi-point pairing. When turned on, the headset can connect to the devices at the same time. This is the first top trick actually. And the second top trick is that if we do have the application here, so it's worth mentioning that we can modify anything here. So here, this is the second top trick. The third top trick is that here, if you tap Equalizer, you can create your custom equalizer over here, or select bass booster, bass reduction, vocal, or any other pre-made preset. And actually that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.